The world is full of beauty, stories, and experiences waiting to be lived. And I'm here to explore it, one destination, one story, one moment at a time. Hi, I'm Mark, and welcome to the Machi Experience. Nestled in the heart of Southern Africa lies one of the continent's best kept secrets, the Kingdom of Eswatini. A land where rolling mountains embrace lush valleys, where ancient traditions meet modern rhythm, and where every smile feels like a warm welcome home. Exploring Eswatini is stepping into a living tapestry of culture, nature, and heart. From the breathtaking trails of Maloloja Nature Reserve to the peaceful charm of Sebebe Resort, resting beneath the towering Sebebe Rock, one of Africa's largest granite outcrops. So sit back, relax, and join in with me through this royal gem of Africa. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more unforgettable experiences and adventures ahead. And we're about to take off. Time is about 3 a.m. this morning. It'll be an interesting trip. All the way from here straight to Eswatini. We're going to pass through Botswana, South Africa. Okay, so we're making a quick stop. I want to get some cash at the airport. Yeah. Everybody's just here. We need rands. So we can't spend Namibian dollars in Eswatini. So that's Mavis.
Hi.
Have you taken your money? You've got some money.
I am.
That's Mavis. That's one of the most powerful people here. Yeah, we're almost at the border. It's 6:44 a.m. Here we go. Almost at the border. Got like trucks. We're at the almost at the Botswana border. We'll just stop to get some gas. That's our vehicle here, United Nations vehicle. And every other person is just, I don't know, they're enjoying themselves. So we're gonna get fuel here. There we are, over there. It's quite interesting. It's still very chilly this morning. Can't wait to get to the border, so we're gonna get our passports ready.
We're gonna be at the border now, and we cross. For some of us, we will use the toilets on the other side. We on the other side.
So I'll see you at the border. See you at the border very soon. All right. Hey everyone. Hi. So we've gotten our passport stamped and we're on our way to Botswana. On our way to Botswana. Yeah, Botswana. Yeah. That's babies.
I'm also young.
Welcome to Botswana. We just got to the border. Yes. Welcome to Botswana. Yeah. So we still have some about 400 or 300 kilometers to go. And yeah, it's pretty chilly this morning. There we go. Get me something like this kind of camp. All right. This is for.
You have to go for initiation.
No, I will introduce you to my ancestors. My umbilical cord was buried in a crowd somewhere in Eswatini. So I'm going to go there and I will meet my ancestors there. Yes. They will introduce me, so I will get this cap, my shield, my spear, everything. I'm going to come back a Zulu man. Shazwan? Yeah, sure. I want to get. I don't know how this.
So now we are back on the road.
We need to push. We are gonna push. We are going to Lombomba.
Eswatini, here we come.
Driving through cattle country in Botswana feels like moving through the calm heartbeat of rural Africa. We're now at the South African border. Hello everyone, so right here is the Botswana-South Africa border. We just got our passport stamped and it's an amazing place. It looks really, really beautiful. Just look at it. Really beautiful.
And ready to go to Crescent.
So where's our next step right now?
Zeros.
Are we driving to?
Zeros.
Okay, we're going to leave from here, then stamp into South Africa. Okay, awesome. All right, so that's our next stop right here. This guy is doing well. Huh? He should be a Lagos driver.
What is that?
Free South Africa!
Yeah, South Africa.
So we just stopped off at Nando's, South Africa. We want to get something to eat. Very, very hungry. So let's see. See, everyone is hungry. Trying to buy one soup. Fine. We continued our journey from Pioneers Gate to Rustenburg. We drove through the night on clean and excellent roads to Carolina for 289 kilometers and then to the Eswatini border. And finally, we arrived at Eswatini. This is the border post at Eswatini. It's been a long journey, but we made it. That's Eswatini right there. The border post in Ngwenya border post is right there. Yes, we did it. It's been a very, very long trip. We made it finally here. It's freezing cold. It's about 10 degrees. We finally made it. Woo! We traveled a total distance of 1,577 kilometers and stayed at the beautiful Damicha Lodge, Ezulwini. I'll be posting a separate video about how beautiful this lodge is.
Oh, nice. So what other sport are you doing?
Welcome to Ezulwini. Simon is live in Ezulwini. And finally we made it to Eswatini. It's been a very long drive, 24 hours drive. 24 hours trip. Yeah, by 3 o'clock. Go ahead.
He was.
Yeah, but Namibia won
Overall.
We had more.
Oh, Ghana,
Now we got 2 Niger guys.
That's true.
Guys, you got waiting to happen now. It's what we're chilling.
We must steal.
Got Killer from Nigeria, always represented. Meeting fellow Nigerians in Eswatini felt like finding home away from home. Laughter flowed easily as we shared stories about life back in Nigeria.
They don't have good managers.
But the good thing here,
In Nigeria, just 2 people having a fender bender. You hit my bumper,
yeah.
The whole road is already blocked.
You know what they will do? They won't leave the road, they will block the road. Instead of them to park the car, they will block the road and already and having fighting.
Getting acquainted.
Once you are there behind.
So when you are driving, they will signal either left or right. That's okay. Even trailers, if you are behind the trailer approaching, the trailer will just signal this way. That is free. So I was telling them in Nigeria, you're on your own. No?
Yeah.
You just come out like this and check. Yes, the road is free.
Yeah, good. If it's not free, you go back. Wow, interesting. They even signal you to overtake. Oh no. Namibia is very cool.
And I was telling them that you can imagine for over 6 hours we're driving on one lane. Wow. Say in Nigeria, you'll be all over the road because you need to dodge potholes.
Yes, now. I told them in Zimbabwe when they are complaining about potholes. I say in Nigeria, you don't dodge potholes. You decide on which one is easier.
I told you, right? You choose the best one. It was the time when I was driving, then I hit the pothole, and then the girl was like, the chain was like,
So this is like this is not possible. This is fry pan.
You need to choose
Yes,
the best pothole.
this one. Which one is less impact? Really? Oh,
Yeah,
so sorry.
it was quite an interesting breakfast.
Yeah, it was really nice.
I enjoyed it. I mean, break from Niger food.
Simon, did you already eat? Can you ever break from Niger food? Because I feel like
In Nigeria, this is like a lot of ceremony. Just correct.
People eat pounded jam early in the morning.
Yes,
Don't you eat like staple food in the morning?
No,
In the morning?
in the morning,
Yes.
no.
You can eat a
can't.
pounded yam with correct
I
meat.
know.
Amala early in the morning.
I can't.
Our food is
It's
simple.
breakfast. It's too
One wrap,
much.
soup, plenty meat.
I can.
Good.
I can, even though I'm not a breakfast person, I can because I know I'm going to be very active all the like throughout the day. When I can't eat it is in the evening.
Evening. You
no.
just sleep off.
I'm trying to control my tummy to tummy goals.
Next, we handed in our passports to get the Ezulwini mobile 5G network. It's a network that is very fast and very affordable.
My girl. I got my card.
You got your card?
First, I got a card in South Africa, loaded it up, didn't work out. Now I got another one in the land of the king, and it's gonna work out. Right.
Driving through Ezulwini reveals some of Eswatini's best kept treasures, winding gracefully through lush valleys framed by rolling green hills. The roads are smooth and well maintained. The offices Ezulwini with its sleek contemporary design, glass facade, and elegant structure set against the scenic backdrop of the valley. It reflects the area's growing modernity while complementing the natural beauty that surrounds it.
We are heading to Mbabane now. We are just going to collect our stuff. And then we come back. So we rest a bit and then, yes, we'll capture more. But yeah, we'll pass by the city center again and then we just fill you in how Mbabane looks actually. It's a beautiful city, so stay tuned.
I had the opportunity to participate in the 2025 United Nations Games. So we headed out to the UN house and received a warm welcome for a security briefing.
The entire landscape of Eswatini is so it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. So every land is terrain is very, very interesting. I appreciate the architecture here. It's exceptionally serene, very beautiful, peaceful. It gives you this luxury, serene, tranquil, resort kind of feel. It seems like everyone here is on a holiday. It's a beautiful place. And I'm going to be showing you much more videos, pictures of the entire city, taking you through the terrain. It promises to be an amazing time, very adventurous one.
Mbabane city center is a lively blend of commerce, culture, and everyday life, set against Eswatini's stunning highland backdrop.
So interesting.
The landscape generally.
Beautiful. I love it.
Seen anything.
I love what I'm seeing so far. I'm already blown away.
Taxis weave through the avenues, vendors sell crafts and fresh produce, and the rhythm of conversation fills the air. The streets bustle with a mix of local markets, modern shops, and government offices, while the mountain air carries a refreshing coolness that adds to the city's charm.
Hello, sir. How do you do?
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Finally in Mbabane. That's my man, Simon. That's what's up.
We have blocked the parkings.
This is a kingdom.
A kingdom. Of Eswatini.
Yes.
When you are
We
here,
must ask them. We need to go say hello to the king.
they refuse. Somebody told me apparently it's a taboo.
Is it taboo?
Yeah, you can only see the building from there. You
Ah,
don't
you go.
me and say, we came to see you. For what?
Well, who are you?
What did you hear about me? Tell me about it. So I'm trying to avoid that.
That's okay. So Mbabane is beautiful. It's lovely, sunny. We were thinking it was going to be cold, but the temperature is very okay.
I hope
today.
it changes more because I gotta jump in that pool.
Despite its compact size, Mbabane exudes a cosmopolitan feel wrapped in the warmth of a close-knit community. The city's office buildings reflect a blend of functionality and evolving modern design, with structures that balance practicality and aesthetic appeal. Many of these buildings occupy elevated plots that overlook the valley, giving them commanding views of the surrounding hills and creating a distinctive skyline framed by natural beauty. Mbabane serves as the administrative heart of Eswatini, housing many of the nation's key government ministries, corporate headquarters and diplomatic missions. Standing proudly within this vibrant setting is the Hilton Garden Inn, a contemporary landmark that redefines comfort and elegance in the heart of the city. Its sleek glass facade reflects the surrounding hills, while the interior combines modern sophistication with local flair. The journey doesn't end here. There is so much more to experience. Subscribe now and follow the second episode as the adventure continues, uncovering new sights, stories, and unforgettable memories. To travel is to live. To live is to travel.